Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's about that time where the pumpkin spice starts flowing, the leaves turn brown, and it starts to get cold. It's fall time, but that also means that we get to start playing with really fun colors like Colourpop's new X's and O's palette. It's so pretty. It has a combination of matte and glitters in like all of your fall tone dreams. I am super excited to play with her today. I'm super excited for the fall season. It's my favorite time of year. Halloween is my favorite. You can expect a lot of fun Halloween looks later on. I'm really excited to get those going. But for right now, I think we're going to do, a deep burgundy look with a glitter. I think a halo eye. I'm unsure of what glitter I want to use because they're all so pretty. So I think it'll be just like a split moment decision. I want to do a look that can work for a night out. It can work for a date night. It can work for any kind of like fall themed activity. Other than that, let's just get started. I'm going to prime today using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is the one primer that I've really found that just like helped my makeup all like lay down to my face and stay exactly where it should. And since we want to go for more of a natural skin vibe with this look, I think I'm going to do my concealer and contour underneath my foundation. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Conceal and Blend brush. I'm going to go into this middle shade right here in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. And I'm just going to kind of create like little triangles underneath my eyes. And we're just going to kind of map out where the highlight and where the contour should go. And I'm just going to fill in this under eye area just a little bit. And then I'm going to use a flat foundation brush and go into this middle contour shade right here. And I'm going to hit my forehead first. And then we're going to go down and bring up the cheekbone. And then come down to the jawline to help slim the face. I'm going to take a more tapered brush from Lorac and go into the same cream contour and then just outline my nose contour really quick and my lips as well. Now I'm going to use the other end of this Lorac brush just to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and just hit my under eyes and all the other light spots that we want to stay light. And now that we have it a little blended out, I'm going to go in with my Dior Backstage Air Flash Spray Foundation, and we're just going to cover right over our contour with the foundation, which is going to create more of a natural skin look. And now that we're all one color, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just kind of blend everything together ever so slightly. I think now I'm just going to kind of set everything with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Banana. And I'm also going to bake my under eyes, but only after I've kind of set my entire face into place. And I'm going to use the same Lorac brush that I was using before, just kind of dab right in and just kind of set everything. You'll see the skin like instantly just starts to mattify. I'm going to take the same damp beauty blender, dab right into the setting powder, and then just go directly underneath my under eyes. I want to also outline my contour. And now I'm going to move on to my brows. So today I'm going to be using a Milani Stay Put Brow Color in the shade 1. And it's honestly just kind of like a good drugstore pomade, and like I really enjoy the fact that it's more of a warm color. It almost like matches my hair color perfectly, so hey, Milani's doing something right. So I'm gonna go in with an angled brush and just start at the corner of where I want my eyebrow to start, and then slowly head towards the arch. Hit the highest point of your arch and then slowly start to drag the color downwards to the tip. And then fill it in with hair-like strokes. And I'll pop on the other one, and there she is. Next, I'm going to use a concealer brush and go into my MAC paint pot and prime my eyes so that all of this gorgeous color stays in place. And now that we've primed our eyes, we can go into some gorgeous color. And now remember I said I wanted to do a halo eye, so I think we're going to use the browns and the burgundies. I'm going to start first with this color Fortunate, and I'm going to use a Sephora Precision Smudge Brush. I'm just going to hit this outer corner right here, hit the inner corner over here, and then slowly bring it together. And I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend out the edges of this. Okay, and then next I'm going to use the same smudge brush and go into this color right here, Stay Golden, that's a little bit more burgundy. And I'm going to do the same thing, put a little bit in this corner, put a little bit in this corner, and then slowly bring them together. And then I'm going to do the same thing and blend it out. Okay, and then next I think I'm going to go into this darker brown called Realness and do the same thing. And then again, blend it out. Okay, and then next I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go right into this color here right called Rookie. And this is going to be our halo, so it's going to go right in the center of the eyelid. And then go ahead and bring out the edges. And I think we're actually going to top it with this kind of silvery glitter one called Know Better, just to give the halo a little more pop. Why not? Okay, and now I think we can dust off this under eye and this big. So I'm trying this new Suva Beauty Hydro Liner. I'm going to attempt to do a liquid liner. And so I'm just going to start at this corner and come straight out. And slowly bring it back in. And there you go. I'm going to do the other one. Okay, and now that I have the general shape, I'm going to use the same brush and just kind of smoke out this line just a tad. And now I'm going to pop on lashes. So today I'm using Lilly lashes in Mink Mykonos. And so I'll put these on and I'll be right back. And now that I'm back with lashes, I think I'm going to move on to my under eye. So I'm going to go in with the same precision smudge brush that we were using. And I think I'm going to go back into this burgundy color called Stay Golden. And I'm going to slowly run it along the lash line. And then I think I'm going to go into this dark brown called Reckless. And I'm just going to blend it out into this corner. Okay, and then I want to add a little bit of blush. So I'm actually going to use the same Lorac brush we were using earlier. And I'm going to go into the same color, Stay Golden, and use it as my blush. Okay, and then I want want to bring a little more warmth to this look, so I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Island Ting. And I'm going to use my Fenty bronzer brush in 190. Kind of swipe both sides and just run it along my cheeks. I also want to hit the corners of my face. And then I'm just going to lightly go over my nose. And then I think I'm going to go into my Beauty Bakerie Cotton Candy Champagne Blushlighter palette. And I'm going to highlight my face using this light pink one up here called Sip Sip Hooray. Lastly, I'm going to move on to my lip. I'm going to line my lips today using a Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Leo. And then to top it off, I'm going to use a Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Promotion Day. And I'm just going to put this right in the center. And you can go back in with the same lip liner just to even out the edges. And if you make any mistakes, you can just use a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Colourpop concealer. And just line it up. And you can use a blending brush. Okay guys, and this is our finished look, our gorgeous fall burgundy glam. It came out a little more vampy than I expected, but I'm also not mad about it because it's about that season. It's about spooky season, so maybe we just need to get down with it a little bit. So I had so much fun recreating this look. I think this palette is really, really great going into fall. I think that the shimmers are all really pretty, the mattes are all really pigmented, and I had a lot of fun creating this fun fall look. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below and tell me what you like, tell me what you didn't like, tell me what you want to see next time. As I said, I'm getting ready for spooky season, so I've got a couple of Halloween ideas coming up that I think are going to be super fun. But beyond that, I'm kind of an open canvas, so if you have any ideas, please let me know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this fun fall look. This Colourpop palette is pretty inexpensive. I believe it's only like 12 or 13 bucks. I'll put the pricing down below. But that's one of the reasons that I love Colourpop so much, is that you really get good pigmentation and good quality of product for the price that you pay. So I'm 100% down for this. I'll put that information down below if you're interested. And beyond that, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.